Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can fix Prizepicks failed to verify identity. And it's really easy and simple. So basically, if your verification hasn't gone through, if it's not automatically verified your account after you actually sign up, that means they may actually require more information from your side. So you have to provide the last four digits of your social security number and also a photo of your national ID, okay? So what you need to do is after you try to verify your account, and if it's not automatically verified, just log in. They'll ask you to do a couple more steps. For example, input your last four digits of your social security number, and then they will ask you to upload a photo of your national ID. You can also use a driver's license or a passport. So once you submit those guys, and if you're verified, you'll receive a notification that says verification successful, and they'll also send you a link to a deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin playing Prizepicks. And some of the reasons, guys, well, the second part of the verification may not actually work. If you submit an ID, which is a blurry picture, or there's not proper lighting, or you give an invalid ID, something that's not applicable, for example, you give a library card, that won't work, okay? You'll have to resubmit your ID, and what's going to happen is a verification specialist will review your account information further, and if you're denied, guys, you'll unfortunately not be able to play on Prizepicks if you don't get verified the second time. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.